Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Binance to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto portfolio or just move funds for better security, this process is easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase Wallet. Double-check that your BNB is in your Binance Spot wallet and not locked in any staking or locked products. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page. From there, select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet. That's where your available BNB will be. Next, find and click on Withdraw next to your BNB balance. You'll need to choose the network for the transfer. For BNB, stick with the BNB Smart Chain (BEP20) to ensure compatibility with Coinbase Wallet. Remember, using the wrong network could lead to lost funds, so double-check this. Now, grab your Coinbase Wallet address. Open your Coinbase app or website, go to your wallet, select BNB, and copy the address. Paste this into the Address field on Binance. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully. The address, amount, and network. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email or 2FA. Once approved, sit tight as the transaction processes. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Finally, hop back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see your BNB arrive. And just like that, you're done. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and current market conditions to avoid surprises. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there and happy transferring. See you in the next video.